What's up guys, it's GhostVoice back with another video. This one is actually an interesting one. I don't know what the hell this is, but cool, let's just do allow. But yeah, this video is actually a interesting one because for the past 2 years now, I think it's been 3 years actually, but I've been using Blue Wallet only for the Lightning services. That some may know that they actually do have a Lightning service, but just to let you know what I have found out after doing extensive research, I found out that the Lightning service, they actually have terminated it down, because if I go to my Blue Wallet just right here, I've been actually trying to send out Satoshis using the Lightning network, but as you can see here, my latest transaction was 2 years ago. So basically I have not been able to transact using this Lightning wallet due to the termination of the service. But just in case if you guys are wondering, I was worried as well. I was thinking for like 2 years, like, how am I gonna get these Satoshis out? Are these just stuck in Blue Wallet? Did Blue Wallet rob me? So many questions. But after doing so much research, I also tried to decipher the code as well of the recovery code for the Lightning wallet, but it didn't actually work. But what I actually did find out, if you check the Blue Wallet website, I don't know why, but it still shows that they have the Lightning wallet and everything, which is very weird because it's out of service and it's not working. But if you go to, I'll leave all of these links in the description so that you guys can check it up, but I'm gonna literally just explain very briefly exactly what you have to do to recover your locked up Satoshis in your Blue Wallet via the Lightning network. So what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to come to this website here, which is the official Blue Wallet website. They do have a LNDHub account. So if you see here, recover LNDHub account, if we scroll down, there's 2 options. I think that's 2 options. But if you read number 2 here, you can provide you're going to need to provide your Bitcoin address. This is your normal Bitcoin address that you use to receive funds. As soon as you have that address, you click over here. If you go to the recovery form, which is just right there, I've already done it. I've already sent my form today. Literally, as soon as I found it, I sent it, because for a few years now I was worried. I was thinking, did I just get robbed or what's going on? But yeah, now that I've actually sent off the form, one thing to note down is that you will receive, so once the form is submitted, you will receive the funds on the beginning of the month. So during every month they actually receive and stack up the emails or the forms that they receive, and they send out the transaction at the end of the month. So if you send your form in today, by next month, in the first week, I'm guessing, you should receive the locked up Bitcoin that was stuck in the Lightning wallet. You should receive it in the address that you have provided in the form. But yeah, if there's anything else I can help you with, just let me know, leave a comment, and also like the video. Thank you guys for watching.